Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix new folder option is missing from your Windows 11 right click menu. So to fix this issue guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. So I am not facing this problem. So this video actually I am making for my subscriber. So watch this video till end very carefully. So when you are facing this type of problem guys, if you want to create urgently immediately a new folder, so at that time guys you can use this shortcut key, hold control key plus shift key button and then press N from your keyboard. It will quickly create the new folder on your desktop as you can see, but this is the temporary solution. Okay, to fix this issue permanently, press Windows key button and here you need to search CMD, means command prompt. Right click on it and open the command prompt in administrator mode. Just click on run as administrator. After the command prompt will open, you need to enter one command. As you can see guys, just note it down perfectly, don't miss any word. So same as it is you need to type. After this guys, just hit enter from your keyboard and the command will execute on the command prompt. After the process was completed, now you need to close the command prompt. Okay, after closing, just once again right click on your desktop and let's see your problem was solved or not. Now it will fix your problem 99%. Okay, still in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try this next method. Hold Windows key button and then press R. It will open the run box and here you need to search regedit, means registry edit. Okay, in the registry editor guys, here you need to extend H key classes root. Okay, like this. After this guys, scroll down and here you need to find out the folder. As you can see, folder is here. Just select that folder and in the right menu, in the right panel, just double click on the default value and here you need to set the value data to folder. Same as it is, you need to enter the folder and click on OK. After this guys, just close your registry edit. Now you need to restart your PC one time. After restarting, now let's check your problem was solved or not. Now it will fix your problem 100%. One more bonus method you can try. If the problem was not solving, now you need to update the Windows PC. To update Windows PC, open the Windows settings, go to Windows Update. From here you can easily update the Windows PC. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.